Hello guys, welcome back to my channels, and today I'm going to talk about how to set up your YouTube channel properly and your content get viral. So today I'm going to talk about on this topic, and I just want to share you some tricks to set up your channel properly and your content get viral. Okay, so let's open the Chrome. So Chrome, I'll go to the YouTube. Alright, I'm just going to show you the demo. So here, this is your channel. All right, go right click on your channel and click on your channel. Click on your channel. Okay, this is your basic channel view. All right, so you want to upload the video content and you want to set up everything in a proper way. So here I'll just show you some tricks. First of all, you have to go to search on the Google's tube. Alright, just type tubebuddy and go to the first one, tubebuddy official website premier channel. Click on this and go to sign in with your Google's, that is you have to sign in your YouTube account here. Click on the sign in and I'm going to throw with this one. Sign in your account. Alright, and the first, after you sign in to tubebuddy, alright, and go to Google again, add tubebuddy. Alright, tubebuddy extension on your Google Chrome or on your Opera or Firefox, or you can add this tubebuddy in your extension. Alright, so I'll just click here, go through this, the down one, tubebuddy for YouTube Google Chrome. I'll click on this and you will see the add to Chrome, so you need to click on this, add to extension. So now it's already added to the YouTube, I mean on the Google Chrome, on the bar, on the extension bar. So you will see here. So go back to your YouTube account now. Alright. So once you add the tubebuddy on your Google Chrome extension, you will see tubebuddy sign in required. Click here. This one. You have to click here. And you need to sign in with your YouTube account, right? So I click on the sign in, and with the same account, your YouTube account, sign in. Alright. Allow. Alright, it's done. Successfully sign in. Alright. So that's tubebuddy gonna help you out to grow your YouTube channel. Alright, so I'm going to my YouTube channel. Alright, I'm going to go to the video and I'll check it out. I'll just click through this. Alright, so on this, after you add tubebuddy in your account, alright, in your YouTube account, you will you can manage, alright, you can manage your YouTube channel using these apps. So you can see here, once you click on your video, you will see how much view on your channel, how much subscriber on your channel, how much video it will show here. Alright, only you can see all this information. Alright, the rest, other people cannot see you. But if the other people also using the tubebuddy in this account, and they can see your subscriber or your video, your view, alright, on your channel. Okay, so here, once you upload the video, I'll just upload the demo. Okay, upload the video. I'll just hit it randomly. I'll just say this one. I just upload random video and I will just show you some trick. So first of all, you have to put a nice title for your video. All right, so I'll just put like video this. But when you upload the video, according to your content, according to your video content, you need to put a nice video content, and you must put the description, whatever you want. This is my new video, whatever you want to write. All right, and the tag, all right, below here, below description there is a tag. You must put, this is the most important, all right, for the YouTube video content creator. So first, which video you are uploading, or according to that you need to type like video test, whatever. So once you type the tag, all right, for your video, the related things will come out over here with the help of tubebuddy. All right, so it'll be shown here at video thumbnail, video test 4K Samsung. This, all right, video content, whatever, right? So you see here video content ideas, all right. These things people used to charge on YouTube, all right. So the tubebuddy will recommend you to put these things, all right. So once you type your like whatever you upload the video, according to your video, you just type here, and once you type it, the tubebuddy will help you out, all right, to get more view on your video and got viral. So related search terms, all right, it says related search terms, so you need to click down here, video content ideas, video content marketing, all these things, all right, it will come up. So you need to add everything over here, okay. And custom thumbnail, you can put your custom thumbnail, whatever, and even you can create the thumbnail, a beautiful thumbnail from tubebuddy tools. So there's a thumbnail generator, apply card template, apply end screen template, everything, every facility is giving down here. And if you want the full facility, you need to upgrade the tubebuddy, this one, to upgrade. The tag, it will show your recommended tag, all right, 4K video, 4K resolution, iPhone 11, all these things, all right. Once you upload and once you type the tag here, it will help by the tubebuddy. And even here you can just thumbnail generator, I'll click on thumbnail generator, still frame from the video or solid color or image existing in your computer, you can edit from here. Alright guys, so here you can select any screen time, okay, for your thumbnail. Alright, if you want to choose in like 5 seconds, 6 seconds, 7 seconds, you can choose in a good image for your thumbnail. Alright, once you select a thumbnail, click on continue. Alright, after you click on continue, you'll show the here tags, image, shape, emoji, frame, and template. So you can add all these things. So I'll just show you add text. My video this, and you can down here you can choose the color here. I'll just put white color, yes, I'll choose it. And the size, large, this you can change the font size, right, and click on add layer, right, it's come up here. You can drag bigger, you can make it like this, drag it, alright. You can put your you can edit the thumbnail like this on your video. Emoji, I'll just put this, you can put the emoji. Without using the tubebuddy, you will not get all these things in your channel. I want to put the frame name, you need to upload frame template as well. Shape, yes, you can put the shape like this. You can change the color, you can change the size, even you can rotate it. Yeah, all this. And once you complete the thumbnail, click on continue, and it will show over here. It will look like this on your channel video. for the viewer. It will show your thumbnail like this. Sorry. So save and publish. Click on this. Okay. So now it's done. Thumbnail successfully published. You can close this. Advanced setting. People used to upload randomly their video on YouTube channel. So if you want more view and more subscriber, if you want to go viral your channel, if you video upload like movie or like drama, like animation, like gaming, right? You need to choose from here. If it is gaming, click game and put the game title, or if you say like entertainment is okay. And if you like you can put travel and events. If you're traveling, if your video is traveling video, or if your video is sport, music, or you can choose. So I'll choose the gaming. If you're uploading game, put the game here, put the game name like PUBG. Alright, it will recommend. I'll just type here and click on this content has never aired on television in the US. The first one, click on this, put the recording date, all this thing. Alright. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, please give me a like, and if you're new here, do subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for my subscriber who have subscribed to my channel, and please click on the bell icon for the next upcoming video, and I will bring some kind of a trick for you guys. Alright, so please click on the bell icon and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye for now. Jai Hind.